तो देखा आपने हाउ ही इज़ प्लेइंग विद देम, हाउ ही इज़ फीडिंग देम, एंड देन फिजिकल वर्कआउट बहुत होता है. मैं पर्सनली जो है, देयर हैव बीन टाइम्स वी हैव इन्वेस्टेड इन अ हाउस हेल्प फॉर दिस, फॉर अ पेट सेक्शन. तो बीच में छोड़ दिया था, तो आई यूज टू टेक देम फॉर अ वॉक, एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्कआउट आई यूज टू हैव आज तक भी, आई वुड से, because the amount of brisk walks and the amount of walks I do because of them, I don't need a gymnasium at home. I don't need any such strength training exercises because बहुत बार मुझे इन्हें pull push करना पड़ता है. And they have definitely kept me very active all through. I'm really grateful to them for this. Abhi bhi, like, those of you who are connected with us on Instagram know that my Heidi has given birth to 6 puppies, and all of them are boys, and I have been really involved with them in such a wonderful de-stressing manner. Like, बहुत से लोग बहुत सी बातें करते हैं कि बाप रे, why dogs and so many dogs and this and that, and how do you manage, and see, everything is being done. As such, कुछ managing में नहीं है, and when you have love for something, it's not managing, it's simply doing it for them. So definitely सबका शौक नहीं होगा having dogs or having pets at home, but छोटी मोटी चीज़ें आप करके you can do a start. You can get simply money plant in a bottle and start caring for it, start changing the water, let the child observe, and so on and so forth. Sixth and the most important point is security. Your house will be a very secure place to live in. You may have babysitters coming, you may have people coming, but dogs work on instincts and they know the intentions of people. So Pluto, Heidi and Dora are absolutely amazing at that. मैं दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में अकेले, दुनिया की किसी भी कंट्री में अकेले विद देम रह सकती हूँ. मुझे इतना भरोसा है इन पे. दे हैव गिवन मी दैट मच, दैट अमाउंट ऑफ सिक्योरिटी एंड लव एंड कंफर्ट. आई डोंट लैक कंपेनियनशिप इन एनी मैनर. Like, most of the times my husband is out because of work purposes. But guys, I don't have the time to think about it. Literally, I don't have the time to think about it. And मेरा टाइम दिन भर कैसे निकल जाता है, मैं कभी कभी खुद ही सोचती रह जाती हूँ कि if this ever so happens that because they are more attached to my husband, definitely. So if it so happens that he takes them with him, we will really miss our dear Pluto, Heidi and Dora, because they provide so much of security to us, and they give us immense amount of companionship and love. बच्चे हैं वो हमारे लिए, एंड प्यार के भूखे होते हैं. अभी भी अगर जैसे मैं बैठ जाऊंगी डोरा के साथ बाहर, शी इज़ वेरी नॉटी. जितना मुझे डेमन नहीं तंग करता, डोरा मुझे उसका डबल तंग करती है. बट she would want all the love and affection. She is younger to Damien, in fact. She is not even 2, and she would want to get into my mouth, and this is something I really dislike. I really don't like licking by dogs. But she would want to lick me, and then she would want all the love and affection. So that is how your human friends are. They give you companionship, they give you security, they keep you stress free. If there's something that's not going right, just go and play with them, just go and wave a hand over them. And there are certain studies which even says that for certain patients of mental health or something, even for people with certain disabilities. There are guide dogs, and एक बार तो ऐसा हुआ था कि किसी की डायबिटीज़ बढ़ गई थी, तो द डॉग प्रूव टू बी वेरी हेल्पफुल. द डॉग बिट ऑफ द टो ऑफ दैट पर्सन, एंड उसकी जो डायबिटीज़ थी ओनर की वो गिरी एंड दोज थिंग्स. मेरे होम टाउन में इलाहाबाद में एक चोरी हुई थी, बहुत ही फेमस वो चोरी, जिसमें what happened was कि the dog saved the owner by getting killed himself, and that was a really really sad moment that people had the audacity to kill that dog with a knife, but the owner was saved. And such are the instances. A dog is very faithful and a man's best friend, definitely yes. आप अभी छड़ी लेकर जाएंगे, उनको डांटेंगे, कुछ बोलेंगे, and the very next moment they would be wagging their tails after you. So this is how much they love their owners, and the amount of forgiveness they have, the amount of straightforwardness, khula dil, open hearts. It's just very very amazing and wonderful to see. So definitely if you're thinking of adopting a dog, ज़्यादा मत सोचिए, एक बार लेकर तो आइए और देखिए. You will literally love it. अभी ढेर सारे पपीज़ हैं घर में, तो आए टाइम कभी ना कभी या तो डेमियन जाता है उनको देखने, एंड ही वुड कीप टेलिंग मी बाबा 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 लेके आओ. सो वो सारे बच्चे जो हैं छोटे छोटे, उनमें से मैं अभी सिर्फ इसी सिचुएशन में हूँ कि मैं एक ही रखूँ, एंड उस एक के चक्कर में लाइक वी वुड हैव 4 dogs ऑल टुगेदर, एंड like we are a really great example of population explosion. So nevertheless, it's a really good thing I can give my son. I come from a very comfortable and very secure background. That is not what I can promise Damien right now, but with this thing happening, हम जहाँ से आते हैं, like मेरी upbringing ऐसी हुई थी कि my dog was a street dog. We just like adopted her, but she used to be free. We never kept her at home. तो हम जब स्कूल से आते थे, and if she had given birth to a litter of puppies, we would all gather around the den जहाँ पर वो छेद करती थी, because वो तो छेद करके she used to give puppies, and we all used to sit round it and just keep saying ये वाला पपी मैं लूँगी, ये वाला मैं लूँगा, and those were such amazing days. I cannot promise that to Damien, but this is something how I can give him a little bit of a sneak peek into like how my days were. And अभी तो he is still very small to understand. थोड़ा सा भी बड़ा होता तो और जो है बहुत एंथू होता, पूरे टाइम उन्हीं में दिमाग लगा रहता. Nevertheless, it's going good, and these are some of the benefits of raising dogs and children together. Your kids will be very very comfortable with every dog, and you'll have to watch out. मतलब ये किसी के भी घर जाता है, इसको कोई भी और डॉग दिखता है तो ही जस्ट थिंक्स कि नहीं ये भी बहुत फ्रेंडली होंगे, तो ये थोड़ा सा डिसएडवांटेज हो जाता है, बिकॉज देन यू नीड टू कीप अ चेक ऑन दैट. अदरवाइज रेजिंग डॉग्स एंड चिल्ड्रन टुगेदर इज एब्सोल्युटली a big thumbs up. You would be raising a really really considerate and kind human heart in days to come, and just take care of yourselves, of your mental health, of your houses during this little difficult time. I know it's getting tough for a lot of parents जिनके पास dogs नहीं होंगे, and you should consider having one. So thank you guys for watching. I really value you all, your view time. That's why I always chalk down my content. I just don't sit and speak like that. I really hate doing that. I don't want to waste your time. So thank you so much for watching. If you like our content genuinely, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share as usual. बाकी कुछ टाइम में डायलॉग भी मैं बोलना बंद करना चाहती हूँ. So see you all next time. Most probably with a home tour as requested. Most probably with a home tour. And plant haul भी था, वो भी करेंगे. काफ़ी कुछ है coming up in days. So see you all next time. Bye bye.
डेमियन बेबी दे दे मम्मा को वापस उसकी. नहीं नहीं ऐसे नहीं, आराम से रखो. और बेबी लाए हम लोग. ये हाइडी को दे दे वापस.